Happy birthday, Boss Mac! Hey!
Happy birthday, Boss Mac!
Hey! Happy birthday, Boss Mac! Hey!
Happy birthday, Boss Mac!
Happy birthday, Boss Mac!
Happy birthday, Boss Mac! Hey!
Happy birthday, Boss Mac! Hey! Happy birthday, Boss Mac! Hey!
Bossing! Happy birthday, Boss Mac! Hey!
Happy birthday, Boss Mac! Hey!
Happy birthday, Boss Mac! Hey!
Hi, Boss Mac! Happy birthday po!
Ikaw muna.
Hey! Happy birthday,
Boss Mac.
Hey!
Hi, Boss Mac. Happy birthday. I love you. I miss you. Stay safe in South Africa.
Happy birthday, Boss Mac! Eh, nalagaan namin si Big Mac. Bye! Ingat ka dyan sa South Africa. Love you! Mwah!
Hi, Boss Mac! Miss ka na namin! Ilang buwan ka nang wala dito, pero I know happy ka dyan sa South Africa.
Miss ka na namin ng basement mo!
Happy birthday!
Hey!
Happy birthday, Boss Mac!
Happy birthday, Boss Mac, and I wish you all the best and of course the happiness in life. Thank you for your guidance and thank you for loving us when there were moments that were not that lovable. Again, thank you so much and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Boss Mac. I miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Sir Mac! We miss you!
Hi, Mac! Happy birthday! Hey!
Hi, Boss Mac. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best, all the success, health, and most importantly, all the love in the world. I miss you and I love you. Hope you're doing well and catch up soon. Happy birthday!
Hi, Mac. Happy birthday. I hope that even if we're not there with you in Cape Town, you are celebrating your special day. Take care of yourself always. Mag-iingat ka dyan. And since you're in South Africa na rin naman, sabi nila, once you go black, alam mo na ang kasunod doon. Happy birthday! Miss you!
Happy birthday, Boss Mac! Enjoy your day. I hope you're having fun.
Yes, enjoy your day and enjoy your stay there, over there. So, take care of yourself. Your health is your wealth. Remember that. Keep in touch. Touch by touch. So, we hope to see you soon and really enjoy, alam mo, the usual party and all. We miss that.
Drink moderately.
Yes, drink moderately. With responsibility. Because, you know. Ayoko sabihin eh. Pero alam mo na yun. So, definitely we'll see you soon. And then we'll celebrate your success.
Because it's time for Africa.
Because it's time for Africa. Ayan, we miss you. Happy birthday.
Hi Mac! Happy birthday all the way from Manila, Philippines. I hope you are enjoying your adventure there in South Africa, continuing to learn new things for your growth and development, as well as learning where to find the cheapest garlic and the best rice. We miss you here, but I also hope to see you soon. In the meantime, take care, and I also hope you enjoy your time off in Brazil. Bye-bye.
Ano message mo?
Ang message ko ay, mag-iingat ka po palagi dyan sa Africa. Sana pag uwi mo, marunong ka na magwaka-waka.
Ang gabi mo na mag-message. Ganito ang message. Ito ka po. Salamat sa lahat.
Sabay tayo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ulit. Happy ba? Happy birthday, Uncle! I love you. Thank you sa lahat. Peace out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Say hi, say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi, hi. Hi. Happy birthday, Tito Apple.
Always the best, and I'm always thankful for the things that you have done for me and for my family. Love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday nung. Happy birthday nung. Love you nung. Love you nung. Bahala ka na sa patience sa puso. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nino. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday.
Birthday, Tito.